Yay! Stuck! Is the blue one stuck? Do you want Mummy to help? Can you try again? Oh! Try the yellow one. Try the yellow one. Clever boy. Yeah, he got stuck. I think we need to change your nappy. Are you coming? Are you coming?